Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2020 Zero SRF Premium 14.4 kilowatt. This bike has approximately 3,700 miles and is offered for $13,999 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Being the premium model, you get the heated grips, the bar ends, and also you get the onboard 6 kilowatt charger, so it'll charge up a little faster. In addition, the previous owner added a nice GV top case on the back that you can keep on if you want to for additional storage, or take it off if you want a more sleek look. These come with a factory 5-year warranty on the battery, so it still has a couple more years left on the battery. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did a safety check on it. She's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on it. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 40 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one. Because it's electric, it takes a second to engage. There you go.